My name's David Shiel and I work with the Clwydian Range and Dee Valley AOMB. So we look after the waymarking, the maintenance and make sure that the trail is in good condition for people to enjoy it. The Clwydian Range section of the National Trail crosses through 3 Iron Age hill forts. This one, Moel, huge ramparts that the trail sort of takes you through up onto the top. So you really get a sense of people who have been here before, history over 2,500 years. They're a real feature of this section of the trail. Things that you might see as you're coming through the Clwydian Range and as you're crossing over into the Dee Valley, some of the bird life, absolutely fantastic. This area is a really strong area for black grouse, which are an iconic bird for Wales. If you're walking the trail, particularly early in the morning, you might catch this really eerie sound of the black grouse displaying in the spring. That is a fantastic experience to be out early in the morning, watching the sunrise, listening to the black grouse and watching the skylarks. The heritage, the wildlife, it's such a variety of landscapes, absolutely spectacular.